How to change Facebook page category. Now let's say you want to change the category of your Facebook page that you have right now. All you have to do is to tap on your main menu right here and tap on this arrow down button in order for you to switch to your Facebook page. Now once you're on your Facebook page, all you have to do is to tap on the profile icon right here and click on these three dots right here. You just have to tap on edit right here and scroll down to the very end in order for you to see edit your about info. You just have to tap on that, and on the upper part of this about info, you'll be able to see category right here. So you just have to tap on edit right here in order for you to edit the category of your Facebook page. Now you can pretty much change it to whatever you want it to be. Let's say artist right here. And hit on save once you're done. So that's how to change Facebook page category. Hope it helped.